Welcome to this exploration of one of the most intricate biological systems in the human body, the structure of the nipple and the mechanism of breast milk production. Though small in appearance, the nipple and areola form the command center of a highly sophisticated network that includes milk-producing glands, ducts, specialized cells, nerves, and multiple hormones working in harmony. Together, they create a remarkably precise system designed to nourish and protect newborns. From the outside, the nipple-areola complex seems simple, but beneath the surface lies an advanced biological architecture. The areola, the darker colored skin surrounding the nipple, helps newborns visually locate the breast. On its surface are the Montgomery gland's small raised nodules that secrete antimicrobial moisturizing oils. These secretions protect the delicate skin and may even help newborns orient themselves by scent. Beneath the skin is a dense network of sensory nerves. These nerves are essential for initiating milk production and release. Every touch, suck, or pressure from the infant is detected instantly and relayed to the brain. Deeper within, the milk duct system begins. These ducts branch like tiny rivers, connecting the milk-producing areas of the breast directly to the nipple. As we move deeper into the breast, we find the milk-producing lobules clusters of hundreds of tiny sacs called alveoli. If the entire breast were a vineyard, the alveoli would be the grapes, each one responsible for producing and storing milk. Inside each alveolus are lactocytes, the specialized cells that create breast milk. These cells draw nutrients from the mother's bloodstream: glucose for lactose, fatty acids for milk fat, along with proteins, vitamins, and antibodies. The activity of lactocytes is driven predominantly by the hormone prolactin. Whenever a baby nurses, prolactin levels rise, signaling the breast to produce more milk. This is why frequent breastfeeding naturally increases milk supply. When a baby begins to nurse, an extraordinary communication pathway is triggered. The baby's latch and sucking stimulate sensory receptors in the nipple, sending signals rapidly to the brain's hypothalamus. In response, the brain releases oxytocin, another key hormone responsible for the letdown reflex. Oxytocin travels through the bloodstream back to the breast, targeting the myoepithelial cells that surround each alveolus. These cells contract in unison, much like squeezing a small water balloon. This coordinated contraction pushes milk out of the alveoli and into the ducts, propelling it toward the nipple. As oxytocin takes effect, the milk begins to flow more powerfully through the ducts. The ducts act like flexible pipelines, widening slightly as the milk moves through them. Once the pressure is sufficient, milk is released through the nipple openings. What's remarkable is that this reflex isn't triggered only by the baby's physical suckling. Many mothers experience the letdown simply by hearing their baby cry, seeing their baby, or even thinking about them. The brain-breast connection is incredibly sensitive. Breast milk production operates in a natural, repeating cycle. The baby nurses, nerves signal the brain, prolactin and oxytocin are released, milk is produced and ejected, and the cycle begins again. This is why regular breastfeeding is essential for maintaining and increasing milk